In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect Outlook to the server. If you're running into issues with Outlook not connecting to your mail server, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through some practical solutions to get things back on track. We'll be exploring various strategies to ensure a seamless connection, from the simplest fixes to more involved steps. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting, which tends to solve many of these issues effortlessly. Ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly, as a weak connection can often be the culprit. Next, try restarting Outlook and even your entire computer. These actions can sometimes resolve connection issues immediately. Also, verify if there's any outage or problem with your mail server, whether it's Microsoft 365 or Exchange, as these occurrences can affect connectivity too. If those simple steps don't do the trick, let's delve a little deeper. Outlook might be set to work offline mode, which disrupts its ability to connect to the server. To remedy this, open Outlook, navigate to the Send Receive tab, and see if the Work Offline option is highlighted. If it is, you just need to click it to turn it off. Next, let's consider that sometimes Outlook simply requires a password refresh. Head over to File, then Account Settings, and choose Account Settings once again. From there, pick your email account, click Change, and re-enter your password, making sure to save your changes. This acts as a little nudge in the right direction for Outlook's connection settings. Another effective method involves using Outlook's built-in repair tool. Within the Account Settings menu, select your account and hit Repair. Follow the guided prompts offered by the tool. It's designed to troubleshoot and fix common connection issues that might be affecting your Outlook experience. Another key area to check is your server settings, because incorrect settings can often block the connection. You want to verify your incoming server settings for IMAP or PoP, your outgoing server or SMTP settings, as well as the appropriate port numbers and encryption methods such as SSL or TLS. If you're using a work email, these settings are usually provided by your IT department or email service provider. If these suggestions still aren't moving the needle, it might be time to remove and re-add your account. Go back to Account Settings, remove the problematic account, and restart Outlook. Once done, add your email account again, which often resolves persistent connectivity problems. Lastly, consider the possibility that certain add-ins might be causing the issue. From the Outlook File menu, go to Options, then Add-ins. Click on the Go button next to Manage COM add-ins. Uncheck all the add-ins and restart Outlook to see if that resolves the issue. By following these steps in sequence, you provide Outlook multiple opportunities to reconnect to the server smoothly. Good luck, and I hope this video helps you get back on track with Outlook in no time.